welcome back to Fudchannel. We are back again with another authentic South Indian Tamil Nadu curry, green gram curry. So let's go and see how to make this. For this I have taken 3/4 cup of green gram. This will serve about 6 people. We are going to cook it in a pressure cooker with 3 cups of water. After 5 whistles, it's all nice and cooked. Next we are going to temper it. Heat a vessel with 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon coriander seeds. It is optional. And 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. Few shallots chopped. Green chilies chopped. I have taken 3 green chilies and few curry leaves. You can add red chili powder also in case you need. After onions turn transparent, pour in the cooked green gram. Required amount of salt, and you can pour a little water and cook this well for about 5 minutes. Let it boil. For 5 minutes it's now nice and boiling. You can switch off the stove. In case you feel it's very watery, you can leave it for some more time. We have to mash the cooked curry a little. You can also use a blender to mash it, but don't make it into a very thick paste. It won't be nice. The dal is nice and mashed now. At the end, add a few coriander leaves, finely chopped. Now our green gram curry is ready. It can be served with hot chapatis or with plain white rice. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please try this at home. And do leave your comments below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Fudchannel. Thank you.